Hey guys, I'm Kate.
I'm Jess,
And we are
the Millie Twins, and welcome back to our channel. We hope everyone is doing okay out there.
Staying safe,
Yep.
wearing your mask properly, no chin straps, no noses hanging out.
Right.
And keeping social distancing, please. We want this pandemic to end, please.
That would be nice.
So we really miss going to the movies, and since new movies have been pushed back, with the money that we would have spent at the movie theaters, we spent it on this home theater projector.
So you're probably wondering where we got this Vamvo.
How much?
Yeah. Well, we got this from Amazon, and it cost $240, but they gave us a $30 discount. So it was much cheaper than that. So, woo!
You made that sound like a question. You're like, 240? You mean 240.
Oh, right.
Don't confuse them.
Okay. We saw that it had really good reviews. So one of the reasons why we chose Vamvo is because it has full HD and it is compatible with multiple streaming sticks. We have a Roku, so we are hoping that it works with that stick. And of course you can use your laptop. So that's also good. So let's unbox this awesome projector. All right. Here it goes. Open it up. Oh yeah. As you can see, it comes in a very nice case.
Professional. Here's your manual and your triangle. Your gift card. In the back, you can enter it in the computer. And here's the card they give you, so you can let them know what you thought of the product, if you're happy or if you're not. And here you get your power cord. And then this big, ooh, wait, there's more here. There we are. Your remote. Here you also have your HDMI cord and your 3-in-1 video cord. On to the actual thing. Nothing else in here, okay? I was just making sure. Okay. So here is the Vamvo. Said it wrong the first time. Unwrap it from its place.
Yes.
Ooh. Oh yeah.
It's got a good weight to it.
And here it is. The Vamvo.
Alright, so we're gonna turn it around and tell you what all these outlets are. So here's where you plug your power cord in, and above that is the on and off switch. Above that is the VGA input. Over is the HDMI 1, then HDMI 2, then the 5V, then the circle in the middle is the keystone. Above that is the USB input. Over is the AV input, then earphone, and then the micro SD card, and lastly IR receiver.
So we are outside and we are going to test this out on the blank wall right here. We don't have a real long extension cord, so that's why we have it right here. But we also forgot to mention, you need to take the cap off, or else you're gonna get nothing. So on, when you're done, and then off. And we'll wash something. You turn this on and then turn off the lights. What?
Alright, and then there's this little switch in
here that you turn.
They can't see.
Well, there's a switch that you can turn to make it
More focused.
Yeah, focus. Crystal clear.
So here's where you pick your source. We don't have a screen yet, so that's why you see the lines. We're doing it on the side of our house. So here we have our Roku up.
Alright, so we are 15 feet away, and this is our plain white fence, and we just want to show you how big and wide it can get, and the picture is still crystal clear.
So we're very, very pleased with this projector. As you can tell, the picture was crystal clear, and the sound was great.
Excellent.
Yeah, excellent quality. We can't wait to get an actual screen, put it on a bigger screen, and a tripod, so we can move it back a bit
However we like.
But overall, I give this 5 stars and beyond.
Yeah. So if you're looking for a home theater projector, Vamvo is the one.
Yeah, Vamvo.
Don't get confused like I did. Vamvo.
Yeah.
But for now, I'm Kate.
I'm Jess.
And we are the
Melee
Melee Twins.
See you next time.